Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I will be showing you guys how to make polygon in Adobe Photoshop. So what you need to do is just go to your left side. In here you will see your tools. So go to the rectangle tool and then just right click and then choose the polygon tool. So now you can just left click and then drag and then you can create a polygon. And then if you want to create a perfect polygon, you can just hold shift and then left click, drag. And then here we go. So now you created a perfect polygon. And then if you want to add stroke to polygons, you can just double click on your layer. And then in here you will see stroke, just click on it. And then go to the stroke panel. In here you can basically change the size, like increasing the stroke or decreasing, and then you can just change the color of the stroke. So you can make it green or purple, and then when you are done with it, just click on OK, or you can just change the opacity. So this is how to make polygon in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. See you guys in the next one.